Hey guys, Scott with Friendly Hobbies here to show you the new Traxxas Maxx 10 scale monster truck based on the bigger X Max. This one's got a new 4-cell power plant, has the 2200 kV motor. They've got an optional light kit for it with bumper installs. They did a really awesome job with this one. They kept all of the really bulletproof parts of the X Max, big heavy duty differentials, aluminum shocks, big heavy wheels. This guy's gonna be awesome. We've got them here at Friendly Hobbies on display for you until they actually release at the end of October. Come down, take a look at it, drive it, get one for you. Only at Friendly Hobbies.